Hi, my name is Will Turnbull. I'll be presenting on ScienceKids.com. Here is the front page of ScienceKids.com along with Science, Math, and Science English, but today we'll just be going over the Science Kids part of it. So about Science Kids, it began in August of 2007. The aim of Science Kids is to provide educational resources for teachers and parents that help make science fun and engaging for kids, taking important concepts and putting them into a form that kids can not only understand but also enjoy. Inspiring an interest in science at a young age can help kids grow up with the tools needed to form questions about the world around them and make decisions based on their own reasoning. Fun activities, facts, projects, and experiments can be the first step in fostering a desire amongst kids to learn more about science and technology, subjects that have practical applications in both careers and everyday life. About its educational connections, there's a large selection of scientific topics for kids from a young age to learn from. With each of these topics, there are games, quizzes, and videos and lessons to help keep the students more engaged. A few examples of these topics would be recycling, food, animals, so on and so forth. The website is aimed for students of a young age ranging from 1st to 8th grade to enhance their scientific learning experience. Teachers are able to complement their instruction by incorporating fun games, videos, and experiments from Science Kids. This follows the ITSE standards for teachers. An example would be 2A, design or adapt relevant learning experiences that incorporate digital tools and resources to promote student learning and creativity. So for example, from this website you are able to include games, which keeps students more involved rather than just lecturing to them. Or another example would be they have a bunch of different experiment ideas that a lot of teachers already use, but it gives a more detailed description on how to do all of them. For example, an egg parachute, and amongst other things. So under the review of Science Kids, a couple pros of it is it provides an interactive way to learn about scientific topics for students. Teachers are able to enhance their lessons and gain more ideas on how to present and effectively teach the information to their students, which I just mentioned. The major con about Science Kids, however, is the site it does cover a wide range of topics, but it does not go into much detail on those topics. A few comparisons to some other sites like Science Kids. National Geographic Kids is more in depth in information on the environment and animals because National Geographic, that's what they are mainly focusing on. EdHeads is aimed for older kids with more advanced games including surgeries and building a cell phone. Wonderville is more of a game-based website, but it's similar to Science Kids and the wide range of topics. And Try Science is more of an experiment-based website. So some conclusions about Science Kids. Overall, Science Kids is a good website for students to interact in a fun way with the material that the teachers will be presenting. Science Kids is an excellent website to use every so often to enhance the lessons being taught, but not for an everyday use kind of thing because it does lack depth and detail of the topics. I would use this site in my teaching of younger kids to make the lessons more interactive and fun. Out of 10, I would give Science Kids an 8 for its lack of detail but large range of topics and opportunities in those topics such as the games and experiments. And this is the link to how to get to ScienceKids.com. Thank you.